Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your favorite spot for natural beauty tips. Are your lashes short, thin, or falling out easily? Do you wish they looked longer, fuller, and healthier without expensive products or lash extensions? I've got the perfect DIY lash growth serum for you. It's made with 3 powerful natural ingredients that promote growth, strengthen lashes, and nourish your lash line. And the best part? It's super easy to make and 100% natural. Watch until the end for the best tips on how to use this serum for maximum lash growth. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new DIY beauty hack. Let's get started. In a small pot, add 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Known for its ability to stimulate hair growth, rosemary increases blood circulation around the lash line, helping lashes grow longer and thicker over time. 1 teaspoon of tea. Rich in antioxidants and caffeine, tea stimulates hair follicles, strengthens lashes, and helps prevent lash shedding. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, flaxseed nourishes and conditions lashes, making them stronger and healthier. Next, pour in half cup of water and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for 2 minutes, then remove from heat. Cover the pot and let the mixture cool completely to infuse all the ingredients. Finally, strain the liquid and transfer it into a clean mascara bottle or a small glass jar. You can store it in the fridge for up to a week to keep it fresh. To get the best results, here's how to use this lash serum properly. Apply every night before bed for best results. Use a clean mascara wand or a cotton bud to gently apply the serum along the lash line, just like an eyeliner. Store it in the fridge since it's a natural formula. Keeping it cool will help maintain its effectiveness. Avoid getting the serum into your eyes. If you do, rinse with water immediately. Be consistent. Natural remedies take time, so stick with it for at least a few weeks. For extra nourishment, apply a drop of castor oil over the serum once it dries. And that's it, Bellaras. A simple, all-natural DIY lash growth serum that nourishes, strengthens, and promotes longer, thicker lashes. If you give this serum a try, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your results. Have you ever used a natural lash serum before? If so, which one worked for you? And if you want more natural beauty hacks, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss out on new DIY skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing. Bye!